All right, guys, this is just a quick update video. In my last one, I was talking about how Nicehash has suspended withdrawals to Coinbase, and that was honestly one of my biggest pros about being on Nicehash, just because you could get your money quick and fast, and it was zero fees. So I think I'm going to be transitioning away from Nicehash, but in the meantime, they were like, hey, you can use the Lightning network so you can withdraw to a Lightning wallet. Well, I've never used it, so I looked into it some more, and it's essentially another chain that runs alongside of Bitcoin, and you're transferring money off BTC chain, and then it transfers on the actual Bitcoin chain later on at a slower rate. So that way it has less fees, and that could take up to days or months. But your Lightning money gets there now. The only issue is not a lot of exchanges support Lightning deposits. So I have Coinbase, I have Binance US, Gate.io, and then that's currently all the exchanges I have. And none of them support the LNX or Lightning wallet. So if I'm going to try to get my money out of Coinbase and turn it into, something I can then turn into US dollars, there's really no way to do that. There are some mobile wallets and mobile applications where you can send it to your Lightning wallet. You can trade it for Litecoin or some other coin and then send that to your Coinbase or to your Binance or something else. But by that time, you're already paying fees. You have to get, multiple transactions. It just seems like just way too much. It's not there yet. And I watched a lot of reviews on the Lightning Network. The Lightning Network was created for small, fast transactions. So for people to buy, coffee, drinks, lunch on Bitcoin. But it just, in my opinion, it doesn't look like it's actually taken off. There's videos from 2019, 2020 where they're like, yeah, Bitcoin Lightning Network is coming to Coinbase. It's still not there. It's coming to this, it's coming to that, and I don't know if it didn't gain the steam or if there's other security issues there. I can't speak on that. If you do have some more information, please comment down below, but I am not going to be using the Lightning Network to transfer my money out of Nicehash. So unfortunately, we're just going to have to do it the old-fashioned way and go across the Bitcoin chain, blockchain, and we're going to have to pay those fees and have to deal with that extra time of sending it through the actual blockchain. So that kind of stinks. And if I'm going to be paying fees and doing stuff like that, I might as well just flip back over and make more money and just go ahead and mine Ethereum directly. So obviously I do have some stuff that won't be mining Ethereum, so a couple 4 GB cards, a couple CPUs. I will leave those on Nicehash. I will explain that more, but look out for my video coming on up after this where yeah, we'll be switching. So I hope that clears some stuff up for you guys wondering about the Lightning Network and how it's going to be used, that kind of thing. Feel free. If you guys want to use that, then do it. I just, nah. You know what I mean? Nah. All right. Later, guys. Peace out. We'll see you on the next one. Adios.